We have here a problem that's basically asking you if you understand what a ratio is. Okay, this little thing right here that says 7 to 4. Do you know what that means? Well, 7 to 4 means maybe the mom is 70 and the daughter is 40. Maybe the mom is 700 and the daughter is 400. Maybe the mom is 7, the daughter is 4. Some of these make sense and others don't. But the other piece of information that we're given is over here. The sum of their ages is 88. Now, when you're given two pieces of information, what that really is two equations. So let's make these equations where we say, first of all, I need to establish some variables. Let's say S equals Stacy. Well, that's okay. There we go. Stacy. And D equals daughter. And now let's make an equation for the first one. The ratio of Stacy's age to her daughter, and ratios are expressed as fractions, so that's S over D, equals 7 over 4. Personally, I don't love fractions, especially when I'm dealing with multiple equations. So I'm going to do a little bit of what's called cross multiplication and rearrange this thing to say 4S equals 7D. Okay, that's equation number 1. Second equation is the sum of their ages is 88. Now that's a much easier equation. You just say Stacy plus daughter equals 88. Now I have two equations, and if you count them up, there's two variables. So I should be able to solve this. I just need to rearrange these things a little bit. I'm going to say, let's see, we're solving for Stacy, so I'm going to say D equals 88 minus S. And then I'm going to take that, this thing right here, and I'm going to stick it right in there, in that equation. I'm going to replace D in the first one with this 88 minus S business. And I'll write the result down here. 4S equals 7 times 88 minus S. Okay, and if we do a little algebra, that's going to be 7 times 88, which is 616, it's kind of big, minus 7S. A little more algebra. So I'm going to add 7S to both sides. Get 11S equals 616. And now I'm going to divide, and I get this. Stacy is 56 years old. Now that makes sense because it puts Stacy a bit older than her daughter, and if we plug that back in, let's see, 4 times 56 and then divided by 7, that would give me the daughter is equal to 32. Is this possible? Sure. There's lots of 56-year-olds with 32-year-old daughters. So very reasonable answer right there. The key to this problem is when you see two pieces of information, that's two equations.